Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to make a triangle in After Effects. After starting After Effects, I create a new composition and add the purple image as a background of the composition. Now, if we want to make a triangle, we can go to Shape Tool, click and hold, and we can find Polygon. Choose Polygon Tool and click and drag to add the polygon, and then we can go to Properties window. If you don't find this, we can go to Window and Show Properties window here. Now I go back to Properties window, open it, and we can find Shape Properties and go to Points. We can change it to 3 to make it triangle. Actually, we can change the color. For example, we can change it to blue. Also, we can change the stroke width and stroke color. Now I move one side. Select the layer and move it here. The alternative way, we can use Star tool, choose it, and click and hold to draw a star, and then we can go to Shape Properties and change 3 in points. Actually, we can rotate and we can move it here. I minimize these shape layers. Actually, we can find these are the equilateral triangles. If we want to make freeform triangle, we can use pen tool. Click on the pen tool icon and then click to add one point, and click to add second point, and click to add the third point, and go back to the first point and close the shape layer. So we can change the position of the points to change the shape of the triangle. So this is how we can make a triangle in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.